my soul hit that point where it's like, do I really want to do YouTube? January was like a very stressful time for me. We could talk about accommodation in Windhoek and we won't even stop talking. Hey Bunny, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if it is your first time here. My name is Honey and I do fun, authentic and most importantly educative videos. So if it is your first time, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you get notified every single time I post a new video. Okay guys, I've been gone for so long, like I feel like a stranger on the streets, but I think I also needed the break. Even though I didn't plan for it, it was just life that happened. And yeah, it's been a month since I've posted a video on YouTube, and a month away from YouTube is as good as being gone for a whole year. Yeah, no, why was I gone? Where have I been? Like, so much has happened, and like I just felt like giving up on this whole YouTube thing. Like, there was just a lot going on. So we're gonna start off with January, I guess. So I'm just gonna explain where I've been, what I've been up to, and the way forward. Okay, so we're gonna start with where I've been. I'm gonna start it off with January. So in January, y'all know it's my birthday. If you don't know, then if you haven't wished me a happy birthday yet, go ahead, leave a comment here wishing me a happy birthday. But it was my birthday in January, and that was supposed to be a good time. But well, the actual birthday itself was a good time, but was January a good time? Heck no. January was like a very stressful time for me, mainly because I had a lot going on, and I'm just that person where whenever I have things that are going on that are out of my control, that I cannot control, like I just shut down. Like I don't even try, because I don't know, whenever I can't handle a problem or something that's going on in my life, I tend to shut down. So that's what happened to me in January. It was a very stressful time for me. It was a lot of the stress came from unexpected events, and also a little bit of expected events that I should have planned for. So we're gonna talk about the unexpected. So the unexpected was the fact that I moved. I don't know if you can tell or not, but if you see, that's different. This is different. Normally I would be having a window right there. So no, I did not just change the layout of my bed. Hold on. Okay, yeah, so I did not just change the layout of my bed. I actually moved. I'm in a new place, and oh guys, I could make a whole video about accommodation in Windhoek now, because it's like, it's the ghetto. Okay, if you've ever lived in Windhoek, then you know that finding a good place to live in Windhoek is so hard. Like, you can have a dream of what you want to have, like you can have an idea of, you know, the type of aesthetics that you want to go to for in Windhoek. Throw them out the trash. Okay, throw those ideas out of the trash, because trust me, you're not gonna find anything. It's so hard. If you do find something, it's gonna be way out of your price range. Like, it was hard. Okay, so I had this list of, I want a place that has built-in cupboards, I want a place that has a built-in stove, I want white walls. Okay, no, white walls were not like a thing, but like if we start talking about walls, we're not even gonna end. Like, let me just give you an example. There was this place, and the kitchen was orange. I'll insert the color orange here even. The kitchen was this color orange. The bathroom was this color orange, and the bedroom was this color orange. Like, it's like, who is designing these places? Like, who do they have in mind when they're designing these places? And who comes up with the price? Like, why don't we have somebody that regulates price in accommodation in Windhoek, guys? We can talk about accommodation in Windhoek and we won't even stop talking there, because it's like the amount that you will pay, that you will be paying, will be up here, and the quality of what you get will be down here. Like, you can't even compare the two. It's like you pay so much to get the bare minimum. So that was like so stressful, and I think it was more stressful because I didn't know it's like it was super last minute. I literally just found out 2 weeks before I had to move that I needed to move. So I literally had 2 weeks to find a place or to get a flatmate in. I was just not about to get a flatmate of somebody that I didn't know, like a total stranger. That was not gonna happen. So yes, currently now I am living with a flatmate, but lucky for me, it's someone that I knew. It's a friend of mine, and yeah, so it works out for me perfectly. But it's just that our budget could just not accommodate the other place, so we moved to where I'm at now, and that will just be another video for another day. And yeah, I just don't want to get into the details of that right now. But yeah, I got moved. Talking about moving, guys, this is probably one of the reasons why I also took so long to come back. But I filmed like a whole moving vlog. I filmed like a whole empty apartment tour. You guys, I loved it. It was such a beautiful video, or beautiful videos, because it was 2 videos, a moving vlog and an empty apartment tour. But somehow my memory card won't read, so unfortunately I lost that footage, and there's no backup for it. It was just on that memory stick, and the memory stick just won't read. So yeah, I was so disappointed. I was so discouraged, and I was just like, ugh, this YouTube thing. And then on top of that, I was literally busy planning a birthday party for myself, and then moving, and so the birthday party had to fall. And besides the birthday party, the other thing that I was busy with in January was I had to study. So yeah, girl is going back to school. I'm so excited, you guys. Like, oh man, you know when they say that when something is meant for you, no one can take it away from you. Like, I did not even think I'll be here right now. I would not even remotely think that I would actually be accepted to do this program. So to actually be accepted and to actually have, I'm literally filming this video because I just came back from my first class, and we're gonna talk about that. Should we talk about that now? Should we talk about that? Okay, we're gonna talk about that. Okay, so I was studying for like the first, I don't know, for a week or so. I just spent the whole week studying and, you know, prepping for a test. So I had to actually write a test to get into the course. I'm pretty sure I failed that test, but I tried. Okay, I did study. I did go try my best, but hey, God works in mysterious ways. That's what I'm gonna say, because even though I failed the test, I still managed to get into the course. And that's something that maybe later, another day, I'll talk about it in another video, but not in this video, like how I got in and everything. But yeah, your girl went back to school, and today was my first class. And I'm just gonna say, for the first 20-30 minutes ish of the lesson, I was clueless. I was like, oh my goodness, I'm in over my head, like, honey. Like, I was so lost. You know, when you're sitting in the class there and you're like, what language are these people talking? Because like, it's not making sense. It's like, you know how, say you are learning a new language and you can understand like a bit of the language, but like you can't understand. Like me and Damara now, like I can understand a bit of it, but I can't understand. That was me the first 30 minutes of that lesson. But anyways, as we proceeded and we started talking about other stuff, I was like, Oh, okay. Now, so I still did not get the first part. I'm going to later sit and try to make myself understand the first part of the lesson. But the remaining 1 hour and 30 minutes of the lesson was just perfect. Like, I understood everything. My mind still functions. So yeah, definitely excited to go back to school. Definitely excited for this journey that I'm about to take on, and I don't know how that's gonna play into YouTube and my real life, but I just know that I need to plan, I need to be organized, and I want to be able to do all of this all at once. I want to be able to wear all of these hats all at once, and I believe that I can. And I know that when things get tough, I'm gonna have like a good support system, because I already have such amazing friends and family, and I just have like an amazing support system. So the pressure is on, but it's on. Okay, the pressure is on. So yeah, so that's my January basically in a nutshell. I had to move, I had to study, and now it's Feb. Your girl is finally registered. Your girl went back to school. Today was my first day of school, and yeah, so let's get back to YouTube. Like, what's gonna happen on YouTube? I have some amazing plans that I have planned for YouTube. I have reached out to amazing people. Like, I just have amazing plans for the channel, and I do not wanna announce what I wanna do until I have like how can I say this? Should I just announce it? I mean, since when have I kept secrets from y'all? I actually believe that I share my like a diary to me. So I tell you what I wanna do so that you can hold me accountable, or so that I can hold myself accountable, because I put it out in the universe. And I believe in manifestation. I believe in putting it out there, and it will happen. If you put it out there, it will happen, because you believe in it and you work towards it. So I'm so nervous to say this out loud, but just a quick brief background before I announce what it is. I've been on YouTube for going on to 2019, 2020, 2021. No. 2020, 2020, 2021, 2022. We have definitely been growing slow on this channel. Okay. Okay, but I've been on YouTube for 4 years, and for the most of the 4 years that I've been on YouTube, it was basically just just about fun, putting content out there, and I really enjoyed myself. I had so much fun doing that kind of content. But I feel like last year and this year, I'm going more towards just bringing content that's more educative, content that's more, what's the word, that has worth, some type of worth. I want someone to watch my videos and walk away knowing that they had learned something. As much as I want to bring fun and entertainment, I also want to bring in something a little bit more serious. Like, I want to get a little bit serious with the channel. And yeah, so I've been working on a project where I just want to have this regular discussions on the channel. I was initially thinking about starting a podcast, but like, yeah, I'm still thinking about it. It might be a video podcast where it's solely just on YouTube, or I can do both, like have it on YouTube and also have it on like iTunes and what is the other thing, Spotify. Yeah, so that is something I'm still thinking about, but I am definitely going to be restarting. So it's not even starting, I'm going to reintroduce Adulting with Honey. If you're an OG, then I've had a show that I used to call Adulting with Honey, hence the name of the channel. But this was just basically a show where I would come here and have girl chats, discuss things that are happening in, should I say, in social media or in the world, just things that are happening around us, have topics that have discussions around those things. But so I want to reintroduce that, but this time around have guests as well. I have a few guests lined up already, which I'm so excited about. So yeah, I'm excited about that. I will definitely be posting a video every single week. I want to do more than one video a week, but now because I'm having work, I have business. Hello, follow Bunny's Lens. I have my business, and actually have another business idea that I've been thinking about starting, but like, honey, we are wearing too many hats now. You have work, you have your business, you have YouTube, you have school, and you want to start another business on top of that. So I work good under pressure, I'm not gonna lie, but I don't know if this is a pressure that I'm willing to take on right now. But I know for a fact that Adulting with Honey, the podcast, is a challenge that I want to take on, but it will be a video podcast. So currently working on that. Super excited about that. I have a few guests already lined up. I have 10 episode ideas planned already, and I will make the official announcement once I have like at least 4 episodes already filmed and edited. But yeah, I'm so excited for this year. I'm so excited to be back, and I hope y'all are excited to see my face again. No, my face ain't going nowhere. Okay, I'm not gonna quit YouTube. I love YouTube. I just feel like we had like a mini breakup. Like, we broke up for like a month. We're taking our space. We're just separated. We did not divorce yet. It was just a separation. Taking space from each other, I guess. I don't know what I'm gonna title this video even, but yeah, I'm back and I'm excited to give you content. I'm excited to be committed to uploading at least once a week. I'm hoping to do more than once a week, but I don't want to promise you that. So we're not gonna do that. But that's why you guys have to follow me on my social media. You guys, like, I've not been posting on YouTube in a month, but I've actually been posting way more frequently on Instagram, and I've just been doing more like things that I've learned by the age of 27, quotes like that. Those are the things that I've been sharing on Instagram, but I actually want to go back into doing more makeup and stuff like that. So there's no makeup on YouTube. I don't want to do makeup on YouTube because I don't know, it just feels like that's not something that you guys are into. So I do makeup related videos on my Instagram. So follow me on my Instagram if you want to keep up with the type of content, if you want to learn about makeup, how to do your makeup and all those nice things. Follow me on Instagram. But here on YouTube, like, I'm just focusing on bringing you guys quality content, fun content, educative content. And yeah, that's the type of content that I want to bring you guys here on YouTube this year. So I hope y'all are excited about it just as much as I'm excited. And I'm back, bitches. And
no, God, please, no.
But yeah, if y'all enjoyed this video and y'all excited for the channel and the journey that we're gonna go on this year, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Do not forget to leave a comment in the comment section down below. It's free of charge, guys, but like, when you do that, YouTube just helps promote our videos to more people so that more people can discover our channel. So hit that like button, leave a comment in the comment section down below, and then just share the video link on your WhatsApp. Like, it's free of charge, but it means the world to me. So help a girl, okay? Bye y'all, see you.